how old to rent U-Haul. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss how old you need to be in order to rent U-Haul, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're someone who's looking to rent a truck or a trailer on U-Haul and then you would like to figure out how old you need to be, well, there are actually two types of age categories. You need to be 16 years of age if you want to rent trailers, right? So aside from trucks, if you want trailers, then in that case you need to be over 16 years of age, and if you want to actually rent a truck, in that case you need to be over 18 years of age. And to prove this, you need to also have a valid government issued driver's license. If you don't have that, you will not be able to rent trucks or trailers on U-Haul. So hope this video helped you answer your question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.